Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm making goulash. It is a recipe that's going to be in the new cookbook, so stay tuned for that. And what I'm doing is I am going to, I've got about a third cup of olive oil in here. It's heating up. I'm going to put a diced onion, which I've got to dice my onion. So give me a second. And 2 cloves of minced garlic are going in. And I think I'm just gonna do like my mama did. When she cut an onion. Okay. She did it very carefully, but she did it in her hand like this. And I'm going to use almost this whole onion. This is like a medium size. I wanted just a small one because my husband is not crazy about onions. Now, when they're cooked and in a sauce, he's okay with it then, but I don't want to overpower this dish with onion. Goulash is hearty. It's a crowd pleaser. It goes a long way. It's a one-pot wonder, which I love that. One more time. Okay. Oh. Cookie, I don't know if you want to eat that, honey. All right, there we go. Into the pot. And 2 cloves of garlic minced. I'm going to put those in. Get me a wooden spoon. And we're going to let those start cooking down. Chop cook. You right up under me, sister girl. Meanwhile, we're going to take 2 pounds of ground beef. And we're going to put that in to start browning as well. You could use ground turkey if you prefer, but I have ground beef and that's what I'm using. Hey, babe. Hey. Into the pot it goes. There's one. And here's 2. Get down. And we're going to let that cook. Now, we're going to let that get good and brown, and then I'll come back and show you what the next step is on this delicious goulash. That's what we're working on in my kitchen tonight. We're going to have that and a salad and play some cards. I'll be back. Hamburger is getting brown for the goulash. I have a small onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 pounds of ground beef. You can use ground chicken, ground turkey if you like, or ground chicken, whichever. I'm going to put my spices in. I need 3 bay leaves. That equals about 3. I need, let's see, a tablespoon of salt. a half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. And you can add more to that later. I need 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to eyeball that. And I had some basil left over in the fridge that is going to go bad if I don't use it. So I'm going to add this extra basil in this. You don't have to do this. I just happened to have it. And I wanted to use it before the date went bad on it. Okay. So I'm going to give that a stir. All the seasonings are in. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of beef broth. We're also going to add 2½ cups of water. There's 2. Let me get the 1/2. There we go. Now we're also going to add 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. And I have the fire roasted tomatoes is what I'm going to use. That is totally up to you. Okay. Give this a stir. Now we're going to keep our heat low to medium. I've got mine on medium, kind of in between the two, to be honest with you. And I'm going to let this cook down. I'm going to add, let's see, let me make sure I got everything. I'm going to add 2 cups of raw, uncooked elbow macaroni. There's one. And there's 2. And we're going to give that a stir. And we're going to let that cook for, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes. And let that, the noodles get cooked. Let everything get good and heated up. Let the sauce cook down a little bit. And then right before I serve this, I'm going to put 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese over the top, and then serve it into bowls. We're gonna have that and a salad, and that is goulash the way I like it and the way my family likes it. Give it a try, you won't be sorry. It's similar to spaghetti, but a little bit of zhuzh to it. But that's what we're gonna do tonight for dinner. Goulash. Give it a try. Like, share, and comment. We'll see you later. Thanks for following the page. Bye now.